Hello everybody again, and time for another battle. This time we had the concealers, we had foundation. Of course I'm wearing one foundation, sorry, two concealers, cookie concealer with double wear Estee Lauder, and Tarte concealer with double wear Estee Lauder foundation. We'll see which one is better. I will put some mascara on, so we'll have a battle between two mascaras, and one is from MAC, and let me tell you exactly the name for this one. This one is in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara Volume from MAC, and the other one is another well-known one from Tarte, is the Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. So I will use the MAC one first, and let me show you the wand. Huge wand. It's a plastic one with very short bristles. So let's see first how this one works. So here we are with the MAC one. So far it gives me length, gives me volume, and also a lot of separation. And I see there is a little bit transfer on the upper lid. So here is the MAC one, and as I just told you, is the 3D. It has a long name, and this one was the, if I can find the name, in Extreme Dimension 3D mascara. So I never tried a MAC mascara. No, I'm wrong. I tried a sample, but I don't remember the name for that one. This is a full size and looks like this. And let's try the Tarte one comparing with the MAC. And this is another very well known one and very loved by most of us. And here is the one for this. Let's see how this one looks. So here is the Tarte one. I got a little bit on my waterline by mistake. It's not much, but enough to see it. It did has a little bit transfer also on the upper lid. So far I think the Tarte one gives more volume. This is my opinion, more volume. As length, I think they work the same. As length, as separation, the MAC one keeps them more separate than the Tarte one. Also the Tarte one looks to me more dark as color than the MAC one. So I think I like the Tarte one more. Let me know what do you think about the two of them, MAC versus Tarte. I like this one more, but this one is nice too. And of course I will let you know how they work in several hours, how they look after several hours. So far I like the two of them, but I prefer the Tarte one. Let me know what do you think about those two also. Thank you so much in advance for your comments. I will see you guys very soon with another video. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.